In this tutorial, you'll learn about the cal command in Linux. This command is used for displaying calendars directly in your terminal. It's a simple and useful tool for quickly checking dates without needing a graphical interface. The most basic way to use the cal command is to simply type cal in your terminal and press enter. Without any additional arguments, it will display the calendar for the current month. The cal command is a built-in utility available on most Linux distributions, making it a convenient tool for checking the date. Here is an example. When you execute the command cal, the output will be the calendar of the current month with the current date highlighted. You can also use the cal command to display calendars for specific months and years. To do this, use the command cal followed by the month and year. For example, cal 12-2023 will show the calendar for December 2023. Alternatively, you can display an entire year by typing cal followed by the year. For instance, cal 2024 will output the calendar for the entire year 2024. The month should be specified as a number from 1 to 12. The cal command comes with several options that enhance its functionality. Here are some common options. The -1 option displays only the current month, which is also the default behavior. The -3 option shows the previous, current, and next months. The J option displays Julian dates, which are the days numbered from 1 to 365. The Y option displays a calendar for the current year. And the M option displays Monday as the first day of the week. Here is an example. The command cal-3 displays the calendar for September, October, and November of 2023. Let's explore some advanced examples of using the cal command. To display days as numbered from 1 to 365, use the J option. This is useful for certain calculations or tracking specific days of the year. To start weeks with Monday instead of Sunday, use the M option. This changes the calendar's display to align with different cultural or organizational preferences. Here are some examples. The command cal-J displays the calendar with Julian dates. The command cal-M displays the calendar with Monday as the first day of the week. Here are the key takeaways from this tutorial. The cal command provides quick calendar access in the terminal. It works without arguments to show the current month and can display specific months and years. It supports Julian dates and week start customization and is available on most Linux and Unix-like systems. Here are some related commands that you might find useful. The date command is used to display or set the system date and time. The ncal command provides an alternative calendar with a different display format. The cal command is the GNU calendar program with more features, and the when command is a personal calendar program. For complete documentation, use the command ncal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.